I've never been a school person, you know, I'm a very hands-on person. I hate sitting and, you know, just listening. I want to be hands-on, making money, doing what I like to do.
We've been trying to reach students as early as 5th grade to let them know that there is a T-2-4 component to our education system. So the T is technical education. The 2-year is a community college education, and then there's a 4-year. And so as students begin to identify their interests and what they enjoy doing, we try to come into the schools or put on events that allow students to get their hands on tools and allow them to really experience what this type of education is like.
I found out about it in my sophomore year, and then I was able to join my junior year, and I've been doing it since my junior year to now my senior year, and I've loved it every day since. Well, in 4 years I'm going to finish my carpenter's apprenticeship with Local 59, and then from there I might switch over to heavy equipment and do their apprenticeship, but at this moment I'm just going to stick with my apprenticeship for carpenters.
We're trying to dispel the myth that if you don't go to college, you're not going to be successful, or that if you go into a trade, you're going to be poor and you're going to struggle. And that is not the case at all. For example, a heavy operating equipment engineer who goes through an apprenticeship and gains certification on different types of heavy equipment is making $91,000 a year here in Spokane. You can't beat that. And he or she does not have any college debt. And that's the big part that lots of parents and counselors and teachers in our area forget. The return on investment, sometimes with a 4-year college, is not what it is with an apprenticeship.
I definitely want to be outside for a while as long as I can, but down the road, I know I'll be wanting in management or something like that, at least foreman, supervisor.
What parents and counselors and other teachers don't know is that it doesn't end with you swinging the hammer until you're 62. There are so many different paths. In 2020, there will be 30 million unfilled skilled trade jobs here in the United States. Construction companies are now talking about the need, educators are now talking about the need, and then hopefully we're going to bring the legislators in so we can get more support for skilled trades programs so we can keep filling the pipeline.
I mean, since I was probably middle school, I've been wanting to do this kind of stuff. So, I mean, I really can't see anything else. I mean, I had a few intentions, maybe going to the Army or something like that, but I like this a lot and I want to stick with it.